This is another tutorial from this MonoSQLite tutorials line, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can use MonoSQLite to make a build into your iOS devices. Okay, and again, you can use the MonoSQLite. You can purchase in the asset store, and you can, using C# language, you can upload your databases in SQLite and into iOS devices and make the builds and use it the way you're using in the editor. Okay, so let's go to Unity. I'm going to find my plugins folder with this iOS source. I'm going to reveal this in Finder, and I'm going to double click it so I can see in the Xcode. So this line of code is very important. We'll leave it open. Sorry. Let's check the second part here, which is streaming assets with my databases. Both these databases are important because this database is important, and all the other databases you want to upload to your game you're using, you must put in here, and we are going to include in the Xcode project. Okay, so one very important thing, when you're going to build for iOS, you must, if you're using the iOS basic, you must take all these files here out of the project, and you must also change in MonoSQLite. This MonoSQLite DLL is actually for the editor, this MonoSQLite, and you have to change for the MonoSQLite the iOS. So let's do that. First, I'm going to open this plugins folder. There you go. And I'm going to drag everybody to another place so I can save it. Let's go to my table here, desktop, to my table, okay? And this is somewhere I can put it. There you go. There they are. Now going back to Unity, it's going to update, and now I need to duplicate this file for instance. I can do that by pressing Command B, and now I can drag it to the plugins folder and rename it. Okay, so now I can simply open up MonoSQLite with the Finder, and let's just take this one off here. There you go. So I can save these files for later when I continue developing my game in the editor. Okay, so now without further ado, I can make the build to the iOS. Let me save it. Save the project and make a build settings. Clear this up. One very important thing here is to check these Symlink Unity libraries, okay? Because this is very important to make this build. Don't forget that. So let's build and run. Choose a 5-year, and let's build it. Okay, it's going to take a while. It's not going to take a long while because I just made a build and it already made the filter to all the files. So there you go. No errors. Don't forget to do this. This is a very important tutorial. And let's see the project. There you go. Here's the project. It's going to try to upload or run the simulator, but it will fail. Hopefully it will fail. Let's see. So, 3 important things here. First is to add files, add all your databases. Let's find our databases here. In the streaming assets folder, you must look for your project. Here's my project, assets. The streaming assets folder has my databases, and I'm going to add them. Yeah, I don't want a copy. I want the very specific ones, not a copy. So this way I can manage this database in the streaming assets, and it will still be the same database here. Because from now on, when you make a build to the same location, you're not going to choose replace. You're going to choose append, so you can keep all your files. One very important thing here, this code, remember this code? I'm going to select all, Command A, I'm going to copy, Command C, and I'm going to open this app controller.m. And just after the last include here in the beginning, I'm going to paste this code, okay? Command S to save. Last very important thing is to add the native SQLite SQLite library. We do that by pressing here the main controller here, and we go to build phases, link binary with libraries, and we add. Click plus to add, and SQLite 3.0. You're going to look to add libSQLite 3.0.dyd. It's added. There it is. Couldn't be simpler. One last thing, copy them all into the classes because they're going to be preserved, okay? That's it. Let's make a build. Let's see what happens. Let me plug in the device. Open. Let me also open the photo booth so I can show you in the video the result of the update. There you go. It's checking for my iPad. Let's wait till it does. Okay, here it is. So let's build it. Right now it's building into my iPad device. Oh, it's a small error here. Let's try. That. We had a problem copying the file, the icon file. Let me check this again. We close this one. Stop tests. It's saved. Let's build it again. Just check the player settings here. Wow, no problems really. Okay, this is alright. That is barred. So then again, it's actually good here because I can show you that now when I rebuild it, I'm not going to replace it, I'm going to append. By appending, I save my database, which is exactly in streaming assets, and all the other code, I had put it again in the library, the SQLite library, so I don't have to do it all over again. Okay. Let's close this one. Ready? Yep. Ready. Give it a clean, and it's building again. Let's hope it doesn't bring that error again, because it must have been a problem copying the icon. Okay, good. It compile. It's uploading to my iPad device. Almost there. Let me open Photo Booth. There we go. Hope it doesn't open. Change this here. There you go. This is the iPad, and let's see it uploaded. It does take some time. It's generating the SYM file, and it should appear the icon. Let me get back to the Xcode. Wow, somebody's really using it. There you go. Now it's going to run. Turn it off. Ooh. Oh, there it is. And it's running my iPad. Again, this is my iOS device, and I'm using the iOS free version, the iOS basic version of Unity. Just make it closer so you can see. Okay, it's finishing. There you go. Touch it so you can see the same GUI we had in the editor with the databases working. There you go. See? Perfectly working with the SQLite database. So that's it. You hear the guys, this is a very nice game. This is all using SQLite database in Unity free version, basic version. Code is written in C#. And there you go. Finish that off. The game is under development. Okay, so that's it, guys. I hope this really shows you how to use it. Till next time, bye bye.